Take time to review the full Standard 2 Connected Learner using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components. This analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and supports the whole purpose behind these modules, primarily that coaches and other educators are lifelong learners that can guide their own learning. They can evaluate and reflect on what works and what they have learned. Whether you are currently an SBIT or are considering becoming one, reflect on the ways you currently guide your own continual learning. Who else at your building, within the district, or as part of a broader PLN might you reach out to learn about the ways they like to learn? What roles can you help play so others can engage in continual learning and be a truly connected learner as well? Download the accompanying companion guide and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know and be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet those goals. Determine how you will know whether you have successfully met your goal or not. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to continually learn, grow, and self-reflect. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all the resources or complete all the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful. Understanding this may include resources beyond what is listed here.